Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And again, we still have this Scion XB. I think this is 2007. I always forgot the year. Yeah, it's 2007 right there. So for today, we will be removing the tensioner pulley and also the idler pulley. So last time we did remove the water pump, so this is only removal video, because if you know how to remove it, and for sure you know how to put it back, so it's just the reverse order. So I will just be showing you the removal video, which is not that easy, but it's not also that hard. It's just that it need time to do it. So again, 2007 Scion XB idler pulley and tensioner pulley removal. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, I already removed the tire. So for the tensioner pulley, there's one bolt in here, but we need to remove this plastic cover. So just a couple fastener right here. So I think 1, 2, 3, 4 fastener or 5. So I'm just gonna remove it using this one fastener puller tool. And also over here. There you go. And over here, there's one bolt, this one. Let me get the flashlight. Alright guys, so over here you can see your tensioner pulley bolt. There's one bolt over there. Let me get a good shot right here. So that's the bolt, and then also this is your idler pulley. So one bolt for your idler pulley right there, and then one bolt for your tensioner pulley at the bottom, and one bolt, so 2 bolts for your tensioner pulley. Alright, so it's number 14. So let's remove that. Let me get my camera out of the way using my... There you go. That was easy. So it's not a bolt, it's a nut. Alright, so there's a couple of bolts that we need to remove. So one is this. It's 10. Hold on. Come, it's not. Alright, don't fall. Alright, and then there are also 110 over here. Right there, this one. Just we need to like push this and this over here. So we gotta remove those. Hold on, I need 2 hands. So 2 bolts. Guys, so after we remove this couple of brackets, now we will be removing the bolt for the engine mount, and we'll be using number 17. Okay, and make sure you have a jack the engine. Wow. And then over here also Sorry if I couldn't show it to you, but there you go. There's one more over here. So 2 bolts. 1. 2. Alright. Let's put it here. Let's remove those 2 bolts. In here. Oh, those are smaller one. So 2 small and 2 big. Okay. Actually guys, there's one more bolt underneath this reservoir. So you have to remove this reservoir. So in order to remove that, you're gonna remove this, you know, with this windshield reservoir to gain an access for that, for this bolt, 10mm bolt. Now we can remove this reservoir. Hold on. We can now remove the reservoir. Go. Just remove it. Just put over here. No, that's already empty. Let's put back this bolt, so we're not gonna miss it. And then we can now have access for that bolt right there. So we got 2 over here. So 1, 2, and below 3 and 4. So 5 bolts that need to be removed. Alright, okay, let's remove it. Number 17. Oh boy. Okay, so it's small too, so we got 3 small and then 2 big. Now we can jack up the car until we have access. Oh, the bolt for the tensioner pulley. Let me see. We have, oh yeah, now we do have an access. I'll be showing to you this hole right here. So now you have an access for that bolt right there. See it? That bolt. So it's not, it's above the firewall now. Holy crap, it's gonna be hard to show it to you guys, but basically you know what I'm talking when you are here. So 5 bolts for your engine mount, and then jacket. Then remove that. I'm not sure that's number, I think that's number 14 too. Let's see, hold on. Yep guys, it's number 14. We're using a wrench. So now we can remove that bolt from the top of your tensioner pulley. Alright, let's do it. So alright guys, so I did use 2 wrench, one closed box and another one like this. So again, you know, like this, and then just loosen it, and now it's loose. Now that's the bolt that we need to remove. You can see it. Yeah, it's dark right there. Now we'll be using my cordless Milwaukee. Oh, right there. Now we can just pull it. Right there. That's the bolt. I think we can just pull this tensioner up. Hold on. I need 2 hands. But anyway, that's how you remove it. So 2 bolts, but we need 2. You need to lift the engine. Okay, hold on. Alright guys, so look at how long is the bolt, and let's put it here. Now I think we can remove the pulley, tensioner pulley. There we go. Remove it over here or on the top. Let's try on the top. Yeah, I think we can move it here on the top. There you go. And that's the tensioner. This is your tensioner. So this is the bolt below, and then that's the one on the top. Alright guys, after a few attempts, there's no way we can remove that bolt right there because of this firewall. But anyway, that pulley is not that bad. I did check it. Still good. There's no, grinding sounds or something. I'll be showing. Look at that. No wobbly. So that pulley is still good. I did watch a couple of videos. They tried to like move the engine, so they put something in here and then move the engine somewhere in here, but I'm not gonna do that anymore. But anyway, the owner just wanna replace the water pump, and then decided if I will decide if the tensioner pulley and the idler pulley is bad or good. But it seems like the idler pulley still look good, still rotates freely, no dragging, no nothing, except this tensioner pulley that is already old, and we have the chance to replace it, so we will replace it. Alright guys, so that's it. This is just the removal video for this idler pulley. Right, idler pulley for that idler pulley, tensioner pulley for your 2007 Scion XB. So it's not that easy, but it's not also that hard. You just need to remove a couple of parts in there in order to gain access for this bolt, this one from here. But anyway, so if you had any question about this video, please comment down below, and also consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.